Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to trim a video in Adobe Express using mobile device. Adobe Express makes it simple to trim your videos directly on your mobile device, so here is a step-by-step guide. First of all, tap open the Adobe Express application on your mobile device. Go ahead and click on the blue button at the bottom right corner with a little plus in it. Now, click on Quick Actions at the top right and select Trim Video from the menu. Click on the plus button on the next page and select Photo Library from the menu and it'll take you to your camera roll. Make sure you go to the video section and select a video you want to trim. After choosing the video clip, click on Done at the top right corner. Wait for your video clip to import on Adobe Express, and after a few minutes, you will be able to see your video on the preview screen. You will now be able to see handles at the beginning and the end of the video. Drag these handles to adjust the start and the end points of your video. After making adjustments, preview the video by tapping on the play button in the preview screen. This will help you ensure that you've trimmed your video correctly. Once you are done with your trimming, you can go ahead and download or export the trimmed video. By following these steps, you can easily trim your videos to the perfect length using Adobe Express on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.